Popular dancehall personality and dancer Bone Crusher has died.
Bone Crusher, we are represented for what? Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Dancehall personality and street dancer Aldean Kelly, more popularly known as Bone Crusher, reportedly died on Sunday, October 14, after an extended bout of illness. He passed away at the Kingston Public Hospital. People said that he had cancer that took over his blood. He was rushed to hospital Saturday night, then died on Sunday, dancehall artist Starface said. He was a jovial youth and a great dancer. He had not been going out as often recently, but he was still doing his thing. Everybody rate him. He was always hanging out at my father, Happy's liquor store on Nelson Road. That is where I know him from. And he used to be in the streets a lot, always jovial, a real clean spirit, Starface added. Bone Crusher made a name for himself during the heydays of Passa Passa on Spanish Town Road and Dirty Fridays in Fletcher's Land. He originally hailed from Matthews Lane in downtown Kingston. He had a house up by Maxfield Park, but when he got sick, he went back to Matthews Lane to live. It is sad that he passed away, real sad. He was a good, kind-hearted youth. Bone Crusher was also known to keep treats and fundraising events in Maxfield Park inner city community to aid residents and children there. Kelly, who was in his late 30s, suffered from rickets, a disorder that results from a lack of vitamin D, calcium or phosphate. People with rickets usually have weak or soft bones, stunt growth, and in severe cases, skeletal deformities. He has appeared in music videos such as Ching Ching's Watch the Wire, Overmar's Hot Rice, and Elephant Man's Nolinga. He also had a small role in the movie King of the Dancehall with stars Nick Cannon and rapper Busta Rhymes. Kelly once said during an interview with the Jamaica Observer, "I am the breadwinner in my family, so I have to be in the streets hustling my money. My mother and sister are depending on me, and someday I am going to build a mansion for my family. R.I.P. Bone Crusher."
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.